Hi, today we're going to learn how to use VPN to stay secure and private online. Wow, this is a tough job. Just kidding. When you use NordVPN, all it takes is just a single click. See for yourself. Click, and you're browsing securely on public Wi-Fi. Click, your ISP can't see what you do online. Click, and you're in a different country. Well, virtually. Any device you have there, NordVPN has you covered. Everything else is just details. But if you care to know more, NordVPN has more than 5,000 servers all over the world. It protects your sensitive data with advanced encryption, shields you from malware and phishing sites, and keeps no logs of your online activity.
Click link in the description and get 68% discount for your first order. Preparing the book. Find some old books with sewn-in bindings. Visit a junk store or a used bookstore to find them. Look for illustrated encyclopedias or children's picture books. Check the quality of the paper. Thick and absorbent is best. But feel free to experiment. Go through the whole book, ripping out every other page or every third page. Don't let bibliophiles see you do this, it makes them mad. It helps to use a ruler to tear the page against. You are removing pages because when you start adding art to them, the book bulks out. Use a good paper glue like Mod Podge to go through the book, sticking pages together. Select pages randomly or choose pages that are boring to stick together so you leave interesting pictures and illustrations to see as you go through the book. Use white gesso to prime the pages you are going to turn into art. You can go through the whole book, but you may just want to prep a few at a time. Use the white gesso to blank out the text, going around interesting pictures. You can do this in a thin layer so some type shows through, or do several layers to completely blot out the text. You can even leave the odd word or paragraph as an island. Allow the gesso to dry. Turning the book into art. Now add your real artistic touches. You have starting points with any pictures or text you have left. They might trigger an idea for a picture or journal entry. Write in the book. Add words and journal entries or song lyrics and poems that you like. Paint and draw on the pages. Find inspiration wherever you will and recreate whatever you want in the book. Use watercolors, acrylic, oil pastels, and pencils to create art. Collect ephemera to stick into your artworks. Anything that takes your iFood wrappers, stamps, labels. If using something personal like an old photograph or perhaps a theater ticket, it's a good idea to photocopy it. Keeps the original safe.